I'm ready to start the runner beans, and this variety is called Benchmaster, which is a popular amongst the show growers. I'm starting these off on damp kitchen roll just to chip the seeds. Well, it's good news all round regarding the germination of the beans on the kitchen towel. The Blue Lake and the Cobra have both done well. Quick look here on the Cobra. They probably could have given out a bit earlier. They've got green sprouting, and neither is the Blue Lake. So the plan is to plant these up. This is I think it's a 40 cell tray, yeah. And I'll be doing 20 of each in there. Just dipped a little hole, drop them in, cover them up, water them, and leave them to their own thing. That's them all in there. These are the Blue Lake ones here. So there's 20 of each. Well, there's only 19 Cobra. I've just covered those up with the light dust in the soil. I'll do the same to the other side, and then I'll put those into the cool greenhouse on the allotment. These are the kohlrabi that I grew. I actually neglected these. These was under the staging of the greenhouse. I forgot about them, but I think I'll be able to rescue them. Both got red and white. What I'm going to do is do 6 of each and plant them up in these little cell trays here. With the peas now in the ground, I've just decided to sow another couple of gutters of green shaft again. These are the first early potatoes. There's 5 30-litre buckets in that little pot you can see at the front there. These are a variety called Swift. I bought these out to try and clear a bit of space up in the greenhouse, although it shouldn't be too long before these are harvested. The onion sets are screaming to go out, so I thought I'd better put them out their agony. I'm going to put these into the middle bed here. I've already got the board laid out, 10 in a row. Let's get started. So that's 2 varieties of the sets planted out at the moment. The one at the back is called Fen Early, and this one here is the Red Fen. This space here is going to be occupied by the High Tech. They'll be probably going out in the next few days. Now normally I tend to cover the onions with Enviromesh to try and get rid of the onion fly, but last year we didn't seem to have any on the side, so I'm going to take a flyer this year. I'll still put the shields around like that, but I'll leave the top open and we'll see what happens. Just popped into the greenhouse on the allotment, and the sunflowers are telling me they want potting on. So give them a little drink, then I'll pot them on into bigger pots. This will definitely be their last and final pot on before they go out into the beds. I'm planting out the seed onions now. These are more or less the same as the sets, except we've got a little or no bulb on. Just whack a hole in. I add mycorrhizal to the roots. Pop it in, firm it in. That's it, done. Just having a look in the runner bean trench now. To be honest, this trench hasn't been done for about 2 or 3 years, and what I used to do was dig the trench out and put some well rotted vegetables down the bottom, but it hasn't been done for a while. What I've done, I've run the mantis along both edges, as you can see. In here I've got a box of some lovely wood ash donated by another one of the plot holders. I'll be putting that in the bottom, and also have some 6X, mixing it up, and I'll be planting that for this year. That's another job ticked off the list. The bean trench done. Just lightly rake it over and give it a water and just settle it down. I'll put the central path in. Along the back wall here, the total length will be all runner beans, the Benchmaster, and along the front here will be a mixture for the French beans of Cobra and the Blue Lake. It's good news with chiching the runner beans. We had better success than we did with the tomatoes. I don't know whether you can see that there. They're more or less ready for potting on now. I've got some pots here. Because they're not going to be in the pots very long, they'll be potted out into the allotment. I'll just use some old potato compost that I've got in the bins just to get them going, and they'll be going out probably in 2 weeks' time. This compost in here is in an old little wheelie bin. It's spent compost from the potato buckets I've done in the past. As you can see, it's got quite a lot of perlite in, but that won't harm it at all. So I'm just going to get a little 3-inch pot, I think this is. Bodge a hole in with my finger. Grab a bean, pop him in, cover him up. Job's a good one. I never did get round to potting on the sunflowers. As you can see, they're growing at a rapid rate. I think we've passed all risk of frost now, so I'll be putting them direct into the bed. Got 3 rows of sour palmyra here, and I shall be planting them in between the sticks in the valleys of the potatoes. Regular viewers to the channel, now this is a mixture of horse manure and straw. Well, I've been laid over the top of the main crop potatoes. I'll just scrape in a hole in there, and I'll just dig down enough to get the sunflower in. You can see from that, it's got a decent root ball on. The first fixing to the cane I've just put in will be with this Velcro strap. So that's my 6 sunflowers planted for the 2019 Sunflower Challenge, which is organised by Nick's Allotment Diary. These are Titan variety, and I've got a couple of left down here. I'm not sure if I'm going to plant those out. They've gone over a bit and gone a bit kinky, but I'll see if I can find some here. I managed to get another tank of carrots sown, sweet candle, 48 6x8 the rows are, and I'll just cover those up with a bit of polycarb for a few days just to keep a bit of heat in and get them underway. This year, for some reason, I've had an absolute disaster sowing both beetroot and lettuce. Now the beetroot are normally sow into modular cell trays and no problem at all, plant out when they're ready. I've done it twice this year and I've probably only got about 6 plants germinate, so I'm going to go direct. Got no excuse, fresh packets of seeds, so let's go. Not sure how well this will show up, but I've tried to space them as evenly as possible. If they do come a bit too close, I'll just take every other one out, use them as baby beets and let the others grow on. For the sake of a few more minutes, I decided to put a second row in. That's all done, and that's all done from me now. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.